What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go street drive my 335 E90 drift car, my boy's shop, so we can get the wide body panels wrapped. Just gonna color match it blue, not gonna change the color this year. Currently I'm just packing my toolbox. I just want to button up a few things and then make sure we can get the wide body off, and then he can wrap everything and then put the car back together. I'm hoping like 2 or 3 hours max, but we'll get some street driving clips and some sound clips, so stay tuned. All right, so we just got to the shop. My buddy Fernando, he's already done with like the whole front end, so I put out the camera a little too late. Met Patrick, he helped out as well. They knocked out the 2 fenders. It's a drift car, so they just knocked it out really quick. Not saying that they did bad or anything, but like some of the ABS plastic, you can see that, I don't know if the camera can even catch it, but a little dimpling, but that's because of the actual like wide body panel itself. Got the side skirts off. Fernando's hooking up the quick jacks. I'm not gonna film most of this, it's pretty boring, just wrapping. Show you guys the end result. Damn, look, my car's on bags again. I actually thought about buying quick jacks.
They're nice.
Are they?
Yeah. They're so convenient.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad of a setup. They're not bad, wow. Yeah, recently I've been jacking up the car on 4 jack stands, and it's pretty annoying. And my garage is tight, like front and back, so if I had this, dude, doing the clutch would have been easy.
And you get high.
Yeah, that's pretty high.
Like imagine doing the tranny swap with this.
Yeah, that would have been great. Damn, look at that wide swap. Anyways, I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm not really gonna help these guys because I can't wrap for shit, but stay tuned. Right now I'm kind of at a standstill because I can't do anything. I'm not allowed to touch the wrap. That's what Fernando said. It's insane how like much angle it has. You know, so like with the dual caliper bracket, I don't have a parking brake.
Right.
So I just like turn the wheel. Like that's my e-brake, you know. If the car's like running, you know. It's pretty crazy. While they were wrapping the front, I finally zip tied the diffuser back up. Keep trying to tell myself that it's a drift car, but eventually I want a nice drift car that's not full of zip ties and shit, you know. Hey, look, the bumper's done. Looks good. They're working the bumper caps, and then the side skirts is left. Haven't been filming much because wrapping is boring. All right, boys, just got done. I think it looks less obvious, like with it all blue. Can't really tell. I still don't love the kit, but I really appreciate the boys for knocking this out. Just gotta zip tie the side skirt, and we're gonna get out of here. All right, so the boys just wrapped it up. Got everything buttoned up. Time to go home. I think the wide body looks a little better now that it's all one color. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think.